Yo, so what's good guys? So back on the channel, obviously not scooter content, car content now, and today I'm with Spencer Smith and AMG C63, insane. So I'm just going to head straight over to Spencer and ask some questions. Yeah. So
it's the first time you've been in it today.
Yeah, it is.
I'm going to ask you a question.
It's lethal.
I'm going to ask
Go on then. So what do you want to ask?
Well, I was going to ask you a question first, Tom, because obviously it's the first time you've been in one.
Yep.
Always ask this to most people that get in one. What's your first initial impressions?
My first initial impressions?
Well, I'm used to it now, so to me, I'm
going to say it's insane. It's like, I wasn't expecting it to be like how snappy it is, but when you put your foot down coming down that lane, so honestly God, it pinned me in the seat. It was lethal.
It's a 6.2 litre naturally aspirated V8, so obviously it's got all that grunt.
It's so nice.
Yeah, the colour's polar white. It is a Distronic Plus spec, so if you don't know your cars, it's got a different Mercedes badge on the front. It's actually flat rather than the Mercedes badge being 3D and there's holes on the side, whatever. It's hard to explain. It follows cars in front and it stops when they stop, it goes when they go, it changes, it's lane assist, all that. So it's a big spec of paddle shift extenders, 10mm wheel spaces, H&Rs all round. Soon to get lowering springs. We've got carbon mirror caps, we've got the big fat carbon fibre diffuser, carbon window lip, carbon boot lip. Soon to have a carbon front lip.
Yeah, 100%.
100%.
I think that should be done.
Yeah, 100%.
What miles is it on at the moment?
49.
49, that's good.
So it's still good for what, nearly a 10-year-old car.
Yeah. Do you mind me asking how much you paid for it, or do you want to keep that on the low?
I'll keep it on the low.
Okay, that's
fine. I'm trying to make profit.
Yeah, that's understandable.
But I'll go for a good deal. I'll just say that above 20 grand. Above 20 grand. That's all I can say. They're going for about, this spec is going for about 24 to 26, depending on miles. About this mileage anyway. Around about high mileage, close to 100,000, is going for about 22, 20. But hopefully these cars will soon to go up in value. The reason I purchased it was not only being just a fun car to drive, but hopefully it's an investment in the future, because it's obviously the last naturally aspirated performance Mercedes engine to ever go into a Mercedes, whereas can't beat the naturally aspirated 6.2. Oh yeah, for the exhaust, it's completely stock, apart from it has a secondary cat delete, but I'm soon going to take it to Deutsch Tech. On my app, I've ran a 3.9 on 0-60, but I don't know if it's accurate either. Most people normally get 4, 4.1, sometimes 4.5. It is hard. That's after a good tyre warm as well. I mean, it's spin city in this thing. I mean, what it took us, we've done about 40 miles today and it only started hooking just. I had to give it a bit of beans before I actually got it to hook.
Took a while to warm the tyres.
I was just having a fight with the traction light all day until literally just. Obviously, this is the newer one as well, the newer C63. It's a facelift, so it comes with race start, whereas the old ones don't come with that. And also the gearbox has been re-advised as well for faster / smoother shifts in comfort when you put it into sport mode. It's savage, pure savage. Holds the gears for longer. Want it full straight, not full straight, but it's going to keep the main cats in. It's going to have sport cat backs and hopefully valves as well. We'll see what we're running to the gallon actually right now. We're running 11.5 to the gallon, so and I've been sat for what, 10 minutes altogether, so you can actually get good fuel economy with it.
Depends how well you drive it as well, isn't it?
If you stay in comfort, it starts in second and it stays below 1,500 revs, and you can get 20-25 out of it, and on the motorway it's the same. But yeah,
don't worry, your link's going to be down in the description as well, and I'll also plug the Insta.
Yeah, Spencer Smithy. I'm going to post a lot more car content. If you don't know me, if you guys have watched me and you know me, I'm obviously into my
I was going to say, people don't really know you.
People don't really know, people that don't actually know me, I'm very into my cars as much as scooters as well. Just obviously, I've only just started really filming cars. I don't know, I've always liked the car scene. I've always been into cars, so I'm trying to get more car content out there. And yeah, it's just another passion of mine, so might as well get it out there as well.
Yeah. Also, a little sneaky launch control going to be added in.
Right now.
Yep.
And if you've just watched the launch control, which you have, we're gonna actually skip that bit out. Right, let's get into some driving footage and a little montage. Let's go.